Good morning, students. It is our next topic of chapter 2, tissue, that is epithelium tissue. In previous classes we have studied about the plant tissues. Now we are going to discuss about animal tissue, the tissue present in the animal cell, animal body. First tissue of this, it is epithelium tissue. What is epithelium tissue? It is formed of two words. It is epi and thelial. Epi and thelial. Epi means it is outermost. It is outermost. It is upper. As you can see, thelial means membranous. It is membranous or wall, we can say. It means the tissue which are forming an outer layer or which are forming an upper layer membrane of organs or hollow organs called epithelial tissue. What is the meaning of actual means? The epithelium tissue acts as a covering tissue. What is? It is as a covering tissue, or for protection it is also here. आई बात समझ में? It means epithelium tissue, the tissue which is protecting tissue or covering tissue. It can cover the body organs. It can cover the body organs externally and hollow organs internally. Meaning क्या है इसका? Suppose it is our kidney. It is a kidney. तो किडनी का जो outer layer है, outer skin जो है, that is formed of epithelium tissue. That is formed of epithelium tissue. And if any organ is having the cavity like a pipe, suppose it is a pipe, it is the body organ, और it is hollow pipe, it is hollow body organ. तो internal body जो है, इसकी internal covering जो है, that is formed of epithelium tissue. It means we can define this tissue as the epithelium tissue is the covering and protective tissue which covers the body organs externally as well as the hollow body organs internally. इसका main function क्या हो गया? कवरिंग का फंक्शन एंड प्रोटेक्शन का फंक्शन. ओके, तो इट इज आउटर लेयर ऑफ एनी ऑर्गन और बॉडी ऑर्गन. सेकंड इज द फीचर ऑफ दिस epithelium tissue is it forms a barrier. It forms a barriers between body organs. Between बॉडी ऑर्गन्स. बैरियर का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? बैरियर मीन्स इज अ रेजिस्टिविटी और रुकावट जो है किसकी? सपोज इट इज अ किडनी एंड किडनी के साथ में ही हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. सपोज ये किडनी आ गई आपकी, तो बोथ आर किडनीज. तो किडनी का जो सेल है, किडनी की जो सेल्स है या उनकी जो स्किन है, the outer covering of kidney is separated by the outer covering of heart. Outer covering of heart. It means suppose it is a heart, तो heart की जो outer covering है, that is also formed of epithelium tissue. That is also formed of epithelium tissue, and this membrane is separated by the epithelium tissue. दोनों की जो वॉल है, दैट इज सेपरेटेड, फॉर्म द बैरियर बिटवीन दीज टू ऑर्गन्स. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा? एक बैरियर प्रोवाइड करेगी, ये रुकावट होगी. ठीक है, तो इट फॉर्म्स अ बैरियर ऑल्सो. इट मीन्स वी कैन यूज द डेफिनेशन एज द epithelium tissue is the tissue which covers the body organs externally and the hollow body organs internally. It also forms a barrier. It also provides a barrier between the body organs. Okay, बॉडी ऑर्गन्स के बीच में क्या कर रहा है, ये बैरियर प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। आई बात समझ में। जनरल फंक्शंस क्या है इसका, जनरल फीचर्स, व्हाट आर द जनरल फीचर्स, व्हाट आर द जनरल फीचर्स। फर्स्ट जनरल फीचर्स, इट इज कवरिंग एंड प्रोटेक्टिंग टिश्यू, covering and protecting tissue. Second, its cells are living cells, its cells are living cells. Third, these cells have power of division, these cells have power of division. ये तीनों प्रॉपर्टी किसकी होती है, एपिथेलियम टिश्यू की। नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस द टाइप ऑफ द एपिथेलियम टिश्यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द लेयर्स ऑफ सेल्स। द लेयर्स ऑफ सेल्स, हमारे उस एपिथेलियम टिश्यू जो है उसकी सेल्स कितने लेयर्स बनाती है। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट दिस बॉडी, दिस एपिथेलियम टिश्यू आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, दिस एपिथेलियम टिश्यूज आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स। फर्स्ट वन इज simple epithelium. What is? First is simple epithelium. Second one is compound epithelium. Simple and compound epithelium. Okay. Now, why we are calling it as a simple epithelium tissue? Because on the basis of number of layers of cells, on the basis of the numbers of layers of cell, कितने layers वो बनाता है, उसके बेसिस पे हम लोग इसको सिंपल एपिथेलियम टिश्यू और कंपाउंड एपिथेलियम टिश्यू में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं। तो व्हाट आर द डेफिनेशंस ऑफ व्हाई, हाउ वी कैन स्टडी सिंपल एपिथेलियम? मींस whenever the epithelial cells form a single layer, when the epithelium cells, suppose it is forming a layer, it is the nucleus and it is a cell membrane. Okay, it is cell membrane and it is forming all these cells are arranged in only a single layer, then this type of epithelium is known as simple epithelium. Okay, this type of simple epithelium, and these cells are arranged in a single layer, and these are present in the areas where less wear and tears occurs. Wear and tear means जहाँ पर स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी का पावर, स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी कम होती है, जहाँ पर खिंचाव ज़्यादा कम हो रहा है, वहाँ पर ये क्या होगा, एज अ सिंगल लेयर प्रेजेंट होगी। एंड दीज सेल्स आर अरेंज or resting on a layer of fibrous cells, fibrous layer of cells, that is called the basement membrane, that is called basement membrane। क्योंकि ये इसके ऊपर टिका हुआ है इसलिए उनको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, एज अ बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन हम लोग बोलेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज रेस्टिंग ऑन एनी सरफेस। नाउ आफ्टर दैट second is compound epithelium. Second is compound epithelium. It means in this type of epithelium the cells are arranged in more than one layer, in more than one layer, the cells are arranged in more than one layer, and it is found in the place or the areas where more wear and tear, more wear and टीयर, जहां पर स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी का जाके सेल्स ज्यादा स्टेबिलिटी यूज कर रही है, वहां पर उसको, जहां पर ये कंपाउंड एपिथेलियम प्रेजेंट होगा। नाउ ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एपिथेलियम टिश्यूज, दीज एपिथेलियम टिश्यू आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स। कंपाउंड एपिथेलियम हम लोगों ने देखा, हम लोग बात करें सिंपल एपिथेलियम की। नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सिंपल एपिथेलियम, एंड दिस सिंपल एपिथेलियम टिश्यू इज of three types. First one is squamous. First one is squamous epithelium tissue. दिस टाइप ऑफ स्क्वेमस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्वेमस? स्क्वेमस का मीनिंग होता है इनडेफिनिट। स्क्वेमस का मीनिंग क्या है? इनडेफिनिट। अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन और एपिथेलियम टिश्यू, द सिंपल एपिथेलियम इज फाउंड ऑफ 3 टाइप्स, दैट इज स्क्वेमस। फर्स्टली डिस्कस करते हैं इसके टाइप्स को। फर्स्ट इज स्क्वेमस, सेकंड वन इज क्यूबॉइडल, and third one is columnar. Third one is columnar epithelium tissue. Okay, and we have to discuss one by one all these. Squamous is indefinite. It means indefinite shape. It means the cells found in this type of simple epithelium is of indefinite shape. उसकी shape कैसी भी हो सकती है। They may be polygonal, they may be discoidal. According to their structure, we are discussing the types of simple epithelium. Now, after this, cuboidal, as its name showing, cuboidal, the cells are cuboid. Cells are cuboidal and may be polygonal. Okay. After that, third type is columnar. We have to use columnar for the pillars like this. These are present like pillars. That's why it is known as columnar epithelium tissue. Okay. Now we have to discuss squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium is the cells may be found as polygonal and polygonal हो सकता है, या फिर इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे डिस्कोइडल। क्या बोलेंगे? डिस्कोइडल। क्या हो सकता है ये? डिस्कोइडल, लाइक द डिस्क, और डिस्क इज ऑलवेज फ्लैट। तो दीज सेल्स मे बी ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स। सपोज दिस टाइप वी कैन से ओके, मे बी फ्लैट और डिस्कॉइडल। और इसका ऐसा होने से इसका जो न्यूक्लियस है दैट इज ऑल्सो फ्लैट और ओवल, दैट मे बी ऑल्सो फ्लैट और ओवल, एंड दिस इज द सेल मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ दिस इज द सेल मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल्स, एंड दीज सेल्स मे बी अरेंज्ड ऑन द सिंगल लेयर। ओके, आफ्टर दैट ये फ्लैट है, ये आपको डबल लेयर दिख रही होगी, बट इट इज फ्लैट, ये उल्टा है ऐसे। तो इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग? इसको उल्टा देखेंगे यूं, ठीक है? दैट इज द फ्लैट, एंड देन सम ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस सिंपल एपिथेलियम, दैट इज माइक्रोविलाई, but in the squamous epithelium tissue, microvilli are absent. These are finger-like projections or finger-like structures found for providing the motions to the different body substances. Second one is position, कहाँ पर होगा? Where it is found? What are the occurrence? कहाँ पर होगा? It is present in the alveoli of lungs. Alveoli of lungs. What are the alveoli? Alveoli means whenever we have studied about the lungs, lungs की body, lungs के अंदर क्या होता है? कुछ air sacs होते हैं, just like a bunch of grapes. This is the alveoli of lungs or the air sacs. तो इनमें क्या होता है? ये alveoli में present होता है। और in the Bowman's capsule, in the Bowman's capsule of kidney, क्या करता है ये? Bowman's capsule जो किडनी के लेफ्ट में होता है उसमें दैट इज प्रेजेंट। एंड नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस? अब हमको पता है कि ये एल्वोलाई ऑफ लंग्स में प्रेजेंट है, Bowman's कैप्सूल में प्रेजेंट है, तो दे कैन फंक्शंस एज देयर ऑर्गन जहां पर वो प्रेजेंट है। तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डिस्कस, व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ दिस एपिथेलियम टिश्यू, स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम टिश्यू। ओके, स्क्वैमस का फंक्शन क्या है? फर्स्ट वन इज इट हेल्प्स इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ, it helps in the transportation of gases. It helps in the transportation of gases between the blood and body cells. between body cells and blood. After that, second function is, अब मुझे पता है किडनी में बात कर रहे हैं, तो always facilitate the ultrafiltration. It always facilitates the ultrafiltration. Okay, these two functions are major important of squamous epithelium tissue. What is this? Squamous means indefinite shape. It means the cells may be polygonal or discoidal shape in the disc-like structure. अब वो disc है तो their nucleus is also flat or oval, and these cells are living cells. As we can say, these are found in the areas where less wear and tear, and microvilli is absent here. They are found in the alveoli, phlegms and the Bowman's capsule of kidney, and functions at the exchange or transportation of gases between the body cells and blood, and these are also help in the ultrafiltration of kidney. Okay, it is the first point of first type of the simple epithelium tissue. Second epithelium tissue is cuboidal epithelium. Second is cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelial tissue. As its name shows, cuboidal. What is the meaning of cuboidal? Cuboid means just like a structure of cuboid. Just like a structure of cuboid. It means उनकी structures कैसी होगी? As the cuboid, like this. आपको क्यूबोर्ड दिख नहीं रहा होगा क्योंकि ये बैक साइड में भी है, एंड वन these cells are resting on a fibrous membrane that is basement membrane. That is basement membrane. इस membrane को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Basement membrane. It is basement membrane. These cells are discoidal in the shape. These cells are discoidal in shape, like the disc, and their nucleus is also the centric in position. The nucleus is also centric in position and rounded also. Their nucleus is rounded and centric in the position. Okay, in this condition they have some finger-like projections also. So these are known as microvilli. And these cuboidal epitheliums are found in retina of eyes. कहां पर होगा ये? रेटिना ऑफ आइज. क्या होगा ये? रेटिना ऑफ आइज में प्रेजेंट होगा. अब मुझे पता है कि these microvilli are found, that's why they facilitate the movement of something. तो ये किसकी मूवमेंट को? the cells of this tissue always forms the geminal membrane. It also forms the geminal means that helps in the gamete formation, that helps in the movement of gametes or sperms or egg. Okay, then these always form the germinal epithelium. क्या? Germinal or germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium, and helps in the movement of, in the process of the movement of sperms. Now ये हेल्प करता है किसमें? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पर्म्स में. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जर्मिनल बना रहा है. स्पर्म्स की जो आउटर मेम्ब्रेन है, एपिथेलियम सेल्स उसका फॉर्मेशन कर रहा है. इट हेल्प्स इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ओवा ऑल्सो. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ओवा? ओवा इज द एग इन द फीमेल्स. ओके, दिस cuboidal epithelium is the second type of simple epithelium tissue. Now The third point is, third type of this tissue is columnar, is columnar epithelium. क्या बोला हम लोगों ने? Columnar epithelium. It means their cells are found in the just like the columns. And these are resting on the basement membrane. Okay, so in this conditions they also have the microvilli. Okay, and these are columnar, that's why their nucleus is oval and found at the basal part of the cell. Cell के basal part पे ये होगा. The cells are like the pillars and the nucleus is like the eggs or in oval shape. They also have the microvilli for the movement of sperm and egg towards themselves. So these cells are arranged in a single layer. That's why it is known as simple epithelium tissue. Okay, it is also found, this cell is found in the fallopian tubes, of female reproductive system. It is also found in the mucous membrane, of stomach, also found in the stomach or intestine. They also have microvilli for the movement of food. Okay, it is the columnar epithelium. This is the columnar epithelium tissue. And what we can discuss about the differences also on the basis of their structure, nucleus, according to their microvilli, according to their presence and according to their functions. These type of tissues are present in the less areas with less wear and tear. That's why these are known as simple epithelium. Tissue. Okay, after this simple epithelium के बाद में ये जो columnar epithelium है, it is also present as in modified forms. It is also found in modified forms. Like first one is glandular epithelium, glandular columnar epithelium. As its name shows, glandular. हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? Third type of epithelium tissue, third type of simple epithelium, that is columnar epithelium. And this columnar epithelium is modified into two different types. First one is glandular columnar epithelium. First one is glandular columnar epithelium. Second one is ciliated. Epithelium. अब glandular, as its name shows, glandular epithelium, it means in this type of columnar epitheliums, the cells are found like the pillars, found like the pillars, but some of the mucus glands that are secreting the mucus are found in these tissues, or these cells or mucus secreting cells are known as goblet cells. These cells are known as goblet cells. So these cells are found Okay, now as we have studied before कि goblet cells always secrete the mucus or mucus secreting glands are known as goblet cells. What? Goblet cells, and these having the microvilli also for the movement of sperms, for the movement of eggs, etc. Okay, now this is found, ये जो glandular epithelium है that is found in the mucous membrane of stomach also. स्टमक में फूड का मूवमेंट जो होता है उसके लिए वो ये क्या करता है, ये एज अ ल्यूब्रिकेंट फंक्शन करता है. कौन? म्यूकस. म्यूकस ऑलवेज फॉर्म्ड ए विस्कस सरफेस फॉर द फूड, फूड को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए ये प्रेजेंट होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ दिस columnar epithelium tissue or the modification of columnar epithelium tissue is ciliated, as its name shows. Ciliated, cilia means cilia is the finger-like structures or hair-like projections found in the membrane or the membrane of epithelium tissue that always helps in the movement of something. तो ये सारा कहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होगा? ऐसी सेल्स सिलेटेड, जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी देखा कि ये जो सेल्स हैं दैट वी हैव स्टडीड बिफोर, ये जो सेल्स हैं these are resting on the surface, that is basement membrane. Their nucleus is as oval and the base part of, and these cells have microvilli or finger-like or hair-like projections. They help in the movement of food. They help in the movement of ovum or eggs in the female tract, and these are found in the areas with less wear and tear. It means this type of simple epithelium is here. Okay, we have studied all these simple epithelium tissue, that is covering and protecting tissue, that is covering and protecting tissue that always make the difference between or make the barriers between the body organs. बैरियर का मीनिंग मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको. सपोज कि दो ऑर्गन्स है हमारे पास, किडनी और लीवर, तो इनकी जो आउटर कवरिंग है, इसकी जो आउटर कवरिंग है, इसकी जो स्किन है, दैट इज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट ऑर्गन. उस नेक्स्ट ऑर्गन जो लीवर की कवरिंग है वो और किडनी की कवरिंग है वो, ये दोनों मेम्ब्रेन क्या है, एक दूसरे ऑर्गन्स को अलग कर रही है, दोनों को अलग कर रही है, इनके बीच में मिक्स नहीं होंगे ये, तो दैट इज मेक्स अ बैरियर. Okay, it is your first topic of this animal tissue, that is epithelium tissue. What is epithelium? Epithelium is the outer covering and protective tissue that also helps in the protection. अगर हम लोग किसी भी इसकी टच कर जाते हैं, किसी को रगड़ खा स्क्रैच हो जाता है हमारे, तो epithelium tissue may be damaged. तो उस कंडीशन में कौन सा टिश्यू डैमेज होगा? एपिथेलियम टिश्यू. इट इज फाउंड इन द एपिडर्मिस ऑफ द स्किन. इट इज फाउंड इन द एपिडर्मिस ऑफ स्किन. हमारी स्किन हमारी पूरी बॉडी के ऊपर है, तो इट कैन कवर ऑल द बॉडी ऑल्सो. इट कैन कवरिंग द बॉडी और बॉडी ऑर्गन्स एक्सटर्नली, while the hollow body organs internally. Hollow means like buccal cavity. When we are opening our mouth, we have the cavity also. We are seeing the cavity. That is the skin of this cavity is also formed by epithelium tissue. We have the blood vessels, pipe like structures है, तो उनकी जो internal covering जो है, these are hollow organs. इनकी internal जो covering है, that is also formed by the epithelium tissue. It is all about your simple epithelium, up to simple epithelium tissue. In next lecture we will study about the compound epithelium and more different type of animal tissues that are present in our body. Okay, thank you, have a good day.